Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change Android Auto layout. Android Auto lets you customize certain aspects of its interface to better suit your driving preferences. While the overall layout is designed for safety and cannot be fully redesigned, you can change the app order and adjust several display settings. The available options may vary depending on your Android phone, vehicle, and Android Auto version. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android phone, tap Connected Devices, or search for Android Auto in the Settings search bar. Select Android Auto, tap Customize Launcher, then view the list of apps that appear in Android Auto. Drag the apps into your preferred order, and place your most used apps near the top of the list for easier access. Hide apps you don't want to appear in Android Auto or unchecking it if your device supports this option. Return to the main Android Auto settings page and review other display preferences such as starting Android Auto automatically or launching media when connected. If available, connect your phone to your compatible vehicle or Android Auto display. Open the Android Auto home screen and check the updated app layout. Make additional changes and customize Launcher if you want to rearrange the apps again. Disconnect and reconnect your phone if the new layout doesn't appear immediately. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.